Hi, this is BJ Schrader and Wendell Young with McWane Technical Services. We're going to show you how to cut pipe using the Ridgid 14-inch abrasive cutoff machine, more commonly known as a chop saw. Before we begin, remember, always use your personal protective equipment: helmet, gloves, glasses, ear protection, and steel toe boots. All right, Wendell, let's give it a go. The reason we want to use the chop saw is because you get a good, clean cut. A good, clean cut ensures that you'll have a proper seal against the center stop of the gasket. That's how you cut pipe using the Ridgid 14-inch abrasive cutoff machine.